Okay, let's dive straight into this. Welcome to your next mission briefing. Today, we're cracking open the Univex Network, specifically a really dynamic, visually stunning sector of their ecosystem. We're going to look at exactly how their gamified mobile app actually translates into real digital assets. Think of it as entering this ultimate, high-stakes arena designed to let you easily collect on your rewards. So this isn't just your standard app interface we're looking at in this explainer today. No, this is a fully cinematic dive into the Univex game station, where quick thinking and sharp reflexes literally dictate your success.
Let's define exactly what we're dealing with here, because honestly, the stakes are real. The Neural Arcade and Sync Hub, that's the absolute central arena of the Univex ecosystem. You want to treat this place like your operational command center. Here, you're deployed to play interactive consensus games, and this is a really crucial distinction, these aren't just casual mobile games to kill time while you're waiting for the bus. They are vital strategic tools engineered to actively multiply your base speeds and allow you to claim UVX tokens. Every single move you make in this hub directly impacts your overall yield, turning your idle screen time into a measurable asset.
All right, phase one of this operation, infiltration. This is where we engage in consensus validation minigames to authenticate network nodes. I want you to picture a tense, high-stakes heist movie where the protagonist has to, carefully bypass a complex security system before the timer runs out. That is exactly the atmosphere you're stepping into right now, except instead of a Hollywood mainframe, you're tapping sequences on your phone screen. Let's break down the exact procedure for the cognitive pattern lock. It's a strict, unyielding three-step protocol. Step 1, you observe the glowing pattern sequences flashing rapidly across your interface. Step 2, you've got to perfectly repeat those exact sequences entirely from memory, flawlessly executing the visual code by tapping the correct nodes. And then Step 3, upon successful replication, you authenticate the network. It literally delivers pure hacker movie tension right to the palm of your hand. Because one wrong move, one forgotten sequence, and the system locks you out.
And the payout for all that flawless precision? Well, successfully authenticating those nodes allows you to claim exactly 0.1 UVX per level. Now, it sounds straightforward, right? And 0.1 UVX might sound pretty small at first glance, but what happens when you compound that over hundreds of levels? Yeah, that's exactly where the macro strategy kicks in. As the complexity scales up, every single level you conquer adds another hard-earned 0.1 directly to your payload. It requires absolute unbroken concentration for sure, but your long-term yield scales directly with your cognitive endurance.
So, the crucial point is, to survive the deeper sectors, you are going to need an upgrade. Enter the power-up, the boost multiplier. But wait, in this digital arena, there's a massive catch. If you look at your interface, you might see an indicator flashing one play left. See, the system imposes a strict, unforgiving rule of scarcity. You don't just have to rely on base-level repetitive grinding. You actually have a tactical arsenal at your disposal to upgrade your baseline capabilities. But because these multipliers are incredibly powerful, it means your opportunities to activate them are highly restricted.